What does a 60-year-old man want in bed? Let's find out. If you are over 50, you are likely at a point where your body is changing. That means we are having more frequent sex than when we were younger. But for others, that means our bodies are starting to show signs of aging. It's essential to be realistic about what those changes mean for your sex life and how you can adopt your sexual activities as you get older. Here are some tips to help you navigate through your sex life with an older man. Number 1. Older men take more time to warm up, but they last longer than younger guys once they are fully erect. Number 2. Older men are less likely to finish during penetration, so spend extra time stimulating them manually or orally before things get too heated. Number 3. Lube is essential for older men because of the loss of elasticity in the skin. Make sure you use plenty when having intercourse. After all, even 15 minutes of foreplay can be enough for an over 60 guy to orgasm. Number 4. Most older men are pretty happy if they don't have to perform oral sex. Many say it feels like work. Don't push it if he doesn't seem interested in performing oral on you. Instead, give him plenty of manual stimulation until he is ready for intercourse and then go from there. Number 5. Because of decreased muscle tone, it might take a little bit more effort on your part to stimulate his prostate gland. You may also need to consider alternative positions until you find the one that works best for you.